Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Healthcare X channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that's super important for anyone who's sexually active: how to use a male condom correctly. We'll cover everything from choosing the right condom to putting it on correctly so you can feel confident and prepared the next time you need it. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a male condom? A male condom is a barrier method of contraception that is worn on the penis during sexual activity. You've probably seen them at the drugstore displayed on shelves in various sizes, colors, and even flavors. Maybe you've even tucked them away in your own nightstand drawer for safekeeping. Essentially, a male condom is a thin, flexible sheath that acts as a barrier over the penis during sex. It's designed to prevent sperm from entering the vagina, thereby reducing the risk of pregnancy. They're usually made of latex, which is a type of rubber that is both stretchy and durable. But if you have a latex allergy, don't worry. You can also find condoms made from alternative materials like polyurethane or polyisoprene. By using a condom correctly, you're creating a protective barrier that significantly reduces the risk of both pregnancy and sexually transmitted infections or STIs. This makes condoms one of the most effective and accessible forms of contraception available today. Now you might be thinking, okay doc, but why should I use a condom? Well, let me tell you, there are plenty of great reasons to make condoms your best friend in the bedroom. First and foremost, protection. Condoms are incredibly convenient. They're small, discreet, and you can buy them pretty much anywhere, no prescription needed. Trust me, you'll be glad you did. Alright, now that we've covered the why, let's get into the how. First things first, always, and I mean, check the expiration date on the package before you do anything else. Condoms are made of materials that can degrade over time, and using an expired condom is like wearing a holy raincoat. It's just not going to protect you the way it should. If it's expired, toss it and grab a new one. Now that you've got your hands on an in-date condom, it's time to open it up. Condoms are delicate little things, and they need to be handled with care. That means no teeth, no scissors, no knives, and definitely no trying to open it with your keys in a moment of passion. Instead, use your fingers to carefully tear open the package along the designated notch or tear strip. Okay, you've successfully opened the package without any casualties. Congrats. This is an important first step, but now comes the crucial part. Now before you unleash the condom into the wild, take a moment to get acquainted with its anatomy. It might seem straightforward, but a little attention to detail can make all the difference. Condoms are designed to be rolled on in a specific direction, and getting it wrong can lead to some unfortunate consequences. Imagine the frustration of having to start over. The easiest way to tell if you're holding it the right way is to look for the rim. This little detail is your best friend in ensuring proper usage. Make sure the rim is facing outwards, away from the penis. This ensures that the condom will roll on smoothly and effectively, providing the protection you need. Now for a crucial step that often gets overlooked, pinching the tip. This small action can make a big difference in the effectiveness of the condom. When a guy ejaculates, you need a little extra space at the end of the condom to collect the semen. If you don't pinch the tip, the condom might not have enough room to hold the semen, which can lead to breakage. So, before you roll the condom on, use your thumb and forefinger to pinch the tip, squeezing out any air that might be trapped inside. This step is crucial because air bubbles can cause the condom to burst during intercourse. This creates a little pocket for the semen to go, which helps prevent the condom from breaking or leaking. By ensuring there's a small reservoir at the tip, you significantly reduce the risk of condom failure, making your experience safer and more reliable. Alright, now comes the fun part, or at least the part where things start to get interesting. With the tip pinched, carefully place the condom over the head of the erect penis. Use your free hand to gently roll the condom down the shaft of the penis, all the way to the base. It should fit snugly, like a second skin, but it shouldn't feel too tight or uncomfortable. Once the condom is fully unrolled, take a moment to give it a quick once-over. Gently smooth out any air bubbles by pushing them towards the base of the condom. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the ins and outs of putting on a condom like a pro. If at any point during intercourse the condom starts to slip or feel uncomfortable, stop and readjust it. After ejaculation, and while the penis is still erect, hold the base of the condom firmly against the skin and carefully withdraw the penis. This prevents the condom from slipping off and spilling semen. Okay, now that the fun's over, it's time to wrap things up. Literally. Carefully remove the condom, making sure to keep a firm grip on the base to prevent any spills. Once it's off, tie the open end in a knot. Then, wrap the condom in a tissue or piece of toilet paper for extra discretion. Finally, dispose of the wrapped condom in the trash can. And that's it. You're now ready to use a male condom with confidence. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on health and wellness.